Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to start your own business, you've come to the right place. I'm Jimmy, and today I'm going to walk you through the essential steps to launch your business successfully. From market research to developing your brand, we'll cover everything you need to know. Launching a business can be challenging, but with the right guidance and resources, you can turn your dream into a reality. Stay with us until the end of the video, and don't forget to check out the video description below for valuable resources to help you on your journey. In the description, you'll find links to templates, tools, and articles that will provide additional support as you take each step towards launching your business. So, let's get started and turn your business idea into a thriving enterprise. Step 1 is market research. Understanding your market is crucial for your business's success. Let's dive deeper into how you can conduct effective market research. First, identify your target audience. Who are they? What are their demographics, interests, and behaviors? To do this, start with secondary research. Secondary research involves gathering existing data from sources like industry reports, market statistics, and competitor analysis. This helps you understand the broader market landscape. Next, move on to primary research. This is data you collect directly from your potential customers. Conduct surveys to gather quantitative data on customer preferences and behaviors. Use tools like Google Forms or SurveyMonkey to create and distribute your surveys. Interviews and focus groups provide qualitative insights. These methods help you understand the why behind customer behaviors. You can organize small focus groups or one-on-one interviews to dive deeper into their needs and pain points. Don't forget to analyze your competitors. Look at what they're doing well and where they are falling short. Tools like SEMrush or SimilarWeb can help you understand their online presence and marketing strategies. Compile your finding into a comprehensive market research report. This will serve as a valuable reference as you develop your business plan and strategies. Effective market research provides a solid foundation for your business, helping you identify market gaps, understand customer needs, and ultimately, make informed decisions. Invest time in this step to set yourself up for success. Next, you'll need a solid business plan. This is your roadmap to success, outlining how you'll turn your idea into a profitable business. Let's break down the key components of a business plan. Start with the executive summary. This section provides a high-level overview of your business. Include your business name, location, and a brief description of your products or services. Your mission statement should convey the purpose and values of your business, while the vision statement should outline your long-term goals. Next, describe your company in more detail. Include your business structure, ownership, and the history or background of your business idea. Follow this with a detailed market analysis. This section should demonstrate your understanding of the industry, target market, and competitive landscape. Then, outline your business's organizational structure. Detail the roles and responsibilities of your team, including management and key employees. Next, describe your product line or services. Explain what you're offering, the benefits, and your product lifecycle. Include any plans for research and development. Your marketing and sales strategy should detail how you plan to attract and retain customers. Outline your marketing tactics, sales process, and pricing strategy. Then, provide a funding request if you're seeking financing. Clearly state how much funding you need and how you plan to use it. Next, create financial projections. This section should include income statements, cash flow statements, and balance sheets for the next 3 to 5 years. Lastly, include an appendix. This section can contain any additional information, such as permits, lease agreements, or legal documentation. A comprehensive business plan not only guides you through each stage of starting and managing your business, but it's also essential for securing funding and attracting investors. Take the time to make it thorough and well-researched. Now let's talk about the legal side of starting your business. Choosing the right legal structure and registering your business are crucial steps. Let's explore the different types of business structures and the registration process. First, let's go over the main types of business structures. Each has its own advantages and implications for taxes, liability, and control. A sole proprietorship is the simplest structure. It's easy to set up and gives you complete control, but it also means you're personally liable for any business debts. A partnership involves 2 or more people sharing ownership. It's relatively easy to establish, but all partners are personally liable for business debts. An LLC, or limited liability company, provides limited liability protection, meaning your personal assets are protected. It also offers flexible management and pass-through taxation. A corporation is a separate legal entity that offers limited liability protection. Consult with a legal professional to understand the best option for your business. Once you've chosen your business structure, the next step is to register your business name. Ensure your business name is unique and not already in use. You can check name availability through your local business registry or online databases. Once you have a unique name, file it with your local government. Funding your business is a critical step. There are various options available, and choosing the right one can make a big difference in your business's success. Let's explore the different ways you can fund your business. First, let's talk about self-funding. This means using your own savings to start your business. Self-funding gives you full control over your business and avoids debt, but it also means taking on all the financial risk yourself. Next, you might consider loans. There are various types of loans available for small businesses. Bank loans are a traditional option, but they often require a strong credit history and collateral. The Small Business Administration (SBA) offers loans with favorable terms, guaranteed by the government, making them a great option for many entrepreneurs. Online lenders can be more flexible and faster, but usually come with higher interest rates. Another option is to seek investment from venture capitalists or angel investors. Venture capitalists are professional groups that invest large sums of money in businesses with high growth potential, often in exchange for equity and a say in company decisions. Angel investors are individuals who invest their own money, typically at an earlier stage than venture capitalists. Both can provide significant funds and valuable expertise, but you'll need to be prepared to give up some control over your business. Crowdfunding is an increasingly popular way to raise money, especially for new and innovative products. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo allow you to raise small amounts of money from a large number of people. This can also help you validate your business idea and build a community around your product before it even launches. You can also consider grants and competitions. These are funds you don't have to pay back, but they can be highly competitive. Research and apply for small business grants, which are often offered by government agencies, nonprofits, and corporations. Innovation competitions can also provide funding and exposure, especially if you have a unique and impactful business idea. Finally, consider partnerships or strategic alliances. Partnering with another business can provide access to additional resources, funding, and markets. Look for partners whose strengths complement your own. When deciding on funding, consider your business's specific needs, your comfort level with debt and equity, and your long-term goals. Each option has its pros and cons, so choose the one that best aligns with your business strategy. Securing the right funding can set your business on the path to success, providing the resources you need to grow and thrive. Take the time to explore all your options and choose wisely. Building a strong brand is essential for establishing your business's identity and connecting with your target audience. A well-crafted brand sets you apart from competitors and creates a lasting impression. Let's dive into the key elements of building your brand. First, define your brand identity. This includes your brand's mission, vision, values, and personality. Think about what your business stands for and how you want to be perceived by your customers. Next, develop a compelling brand story. Your brand story should convey the journey, values, and mission of your business. It should resonate with your audience and make an emotional connection. Share your brand story on your website, social media, and through content marketing. A strong narrative can differentiate your brand and build loyalty. Your online presence is a major part of your brand. Ensure your website is professional, user-friendly, and optimized for search engines. Regularly update your social media profiles with engaging content that reflects your brand. With a strong brand, you'll stand out in the market, attract loyal customers, and create a lasting impression. Start building your brand today and watch your business thrive. Now that you have a solid brand, it's time to develop your marketing strategy. A well-thought-out marketing plan will help you reach your target audience, increase your brand awareness, and drive sales. Let's break down the essential components of a successful marketing strategy. First, understand your target audience. Knowing who your customers are, what they need, and where they spend their time is crucial for creating effective marketing campaigns. Identify your target audience's demographics, such as age, gender, income level, and location. Also, consider psychographics, like their interests, values, and lifestyles. Understanding customer behavior, including their buying habits and online activity, will help you tailor your marketing efforts. Next, choose your marketing channels. There are various channels available, and the right ones for you will depend on your target audience and marketing goals. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter are great for building brand awareness and engaging with your audience. Email marketing allows you to nurture leads and maintain customer relationships. Content marketing, such as blogging and video production, helps establish your expertise and attract organic traffic. Search engine optimization (SEO) improves your website's visibility on search engines, driving organic traffic. Pay-per-click (PPC) advertising, such as Google Ads, can drive immediate traffic and sales through targeted ads. Google Analytics, social media insights, and email marketing reports provide valuable data on your marketing performance. Use this information to refine your strategy and optimize your campaigns for better results. A successful marketing strategy requires a clear understanding of your audience, a unique value proposition, specific goals, the right channels, and ongoing analysis. With these elements in place, you'll be well on your way to attracting and retaining customers. Invest time and effort into your marketing strategy, and you'll see your business grow and thrive. Good luck and happy marketing. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide on launching your business helpful and inspiring. Remember, starting a business is a journey that requires careful planning, dedication, and continuous learning. From market research and business planning to funding and marketing strategies, every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Don't rush the process. Take your time to get each step right. To help you further on your journey, I've included valuable resources in the video description below. You'll find links to templates, tools, and articles that will provide additional support as you continue to build and grow your business. If you have any questions or need more guidance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to us. We're here to help you succeed. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Good luck on your business journey. With the right resources and a clear plan, you have everything you need to turn your vision into reality. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.